Right guys, whatever is the ABUS 7240, it was given to me by Rick Wales and UK Locksport. Key works nice in there, you can see the lock's operating nicely. There's your bitting. It's a nice wacky bitting. There it is. Right, so I'm going to get this picked. There we go guys. Right, it's picked. Now I'm just going to get this gutted. Lock it back up. Take the circle up off. Do it this way. There's your key pins in there. What I'll do, just take the key pins out. I haven't really got time to do it nice and organised. So pin 1 is that one, and pin 2. And that's it, 6 pins. So what I'll do, take this out of the vise, show you guys now. So there are standard key pins, and then you've got 2 spools at the bottom, 3 pins are spools, and standard and 2 rest at the end are spools. If you look at the key, it's quite misleading. It looks like a 5 pin at first, but as you can see, the first pin is actually the first one here. It's a higher lift. You have to get under that to reach the low lift to reach another higher one, so it's quite tricky really, unless you spot that out first. But yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Cheers Rick for a lot, mate.